Ever wondered how Elon Musk built multiple billion-dollar companies like Tesla, SpaceX, and X, formerly Twitter? Let's break down 5 habits that make him unstoppable. Elon Musk works 80 to 100 hours per week. He says, if other people are putting in 40 hours and you're putting in 100, you'll achieve in 4 months what takes them a year. Musk doesn't just build businesses, he builds industries. His secret? Set goals so big they force you to innovate. Musk taught himself rocket science by reading books. He believes that any skill can be learned with deep focus and practice. He invested his last $180 million into Tesla and SpaceX instead of playing it safe. His motto? If something is important enough, you should try, even if the probable outcome is failure. Musk focuses on problems that change the world. Electric cars, space travel, AI, he's always thinking decades ahead. Comment below and let us know. Want more success tips? Like, follow, and share.